Hello children, now we are going to the fourth part of Harihar Kaka. The first three parts we talked about the villages, the village, how it developed, and with the development of village, Thakur Badi also developed, about the Pandit, Mahant, Harihar Kaka, his family members. So now we are going to continue. महंत जी हरिहर काका को क्या क्या महंत जी ने हरिहर काका को क्या क्या समझाया है इसकी भी जानकारी उन्हें नहीं थी. So now the brothers, they after they came to know about the incident, they sat together and they discussed among themselves. The villagers, no one said nothing to them, and they didn't know what the Mahant and Harihar Kaka they discussed among themselves. That also they were unaware of that. लेकिन इसके बावजूद उनका मन शंकालु और बेचैन हो गया. But still they became restless. They had an idea what the Mahant must be telling to Harihar Kaka. दरअसल बहुत सारी बातें ऐसी होती हैं जिनकी जानकारी बिना बताए ही लोगों को मिल जाती है. There are many informations which people, they don't, even if they don't get the information also, they know about it. शाम गहराते गहराते हरिहर काका के तीनों भाई ठाकुर बाड़ी पहुंचे. So all the other three brothers of Harihar Kaka, they went to ठाकुर बाड़ी. उन्होंने हरिहर काका को वापस घर चलने के लिए कहा. They requested हरिहर काका to return back home. इससे पहले कि हरिहर काका कुछ कहते, महंत जी बीच में आ गए. So the Harihar Kaka, he didn't speak anything. Before he can say something, Mahant ji, he in between he interfered. आज हरिहर को यही रहने दो, बीमारी से उठा है. So Mahant ji, he interfered and he said that leave him today, you leave him here because he is not well, just now he has recovered, let him be here for today. इसका मन अशांत है and he is very restless. ईश्वर के दरबार में रहेगा तो शांति मिलेगी. So here he will be with God, he will have some peace of mind. लेकिन उनके भाई उन्हें घर ले चलने के लिए जिद करने लगे. But his brothers, they wanted him to return back home. इस पर ठाकुर बाड़ी के साधु संत उन्हें समझाने लगे. So the sadhu sant, they were trying to explain, they were trying to convince the brothers. वहां उपस्थित गांव के लोगों ने भी कहा कि एक रात ठाकुर बाड़ी में रह जाएंगे तो क्या हो जाएगा. So the villagers who were there, they also said that if one night he is in ठाकुर बाड़ी, what will change? Let him be there. अंततः भाइयों को निराश हो वहां से लौटना पड़ा. So finally the brothers, they were disappointed and they returned back. रात में हरिहर काका को भोग लगाने के लिए जो मिष्ठान और व्यंजन मिले, वैसे उन्होंने कभी नहीं खाए थे. So night he was served very very tasty food, and such food he never tasted in his life. घी टपकते मालपुए, रसबुनिया, हलवा, छेने की तरकारी, दही, खीर. So he was served with very tasty variety of food. Very tasty. पुजारी जी ने स्वयं अपने हाथों से खाना परोसा था. And the food was served by Pujari. He himself, he served the food. Pujari ji, he serves food for God. So he himself, he served the food for Harihar Kaka. पास में बैठे महन जी धर्म चर्चा से मन में शांति पहुंचा रहे थे. And Mahan ji was sitting next to him, and he was preaching him about God, which was giving हरिहर काका पीस ऑफ माइंड. एक ही रात में ठाकुर बाड़ी में जो सुख शांति और संतोष पाया वह अब तक के जीवन में उन्होंने नहीं पाया था. So spending one night in ठाकुर बाड़ी, he was very happy and peaceful. He felt very peace of mind, which he never felt throughout his life. इधर तीनों भाई रात भर सो नहीं सके. And on the opposite, all the three brothers, they were not able to sleep. भावी आशंका उनके मन को मथती रही. So they were afraid of something, and because of that they were not able to sleep. 15 बीघे खेत. And what was troubling them? The piece of land of हरिहर काका. इस गांव की उपजाऊ जमीन means fertile land. So the fertile land, the 15 acre fertile land was troubling. That was the thing in their mind, going inside their mind. It was troubling them. 2 लाख से अधिक की संपत्ति, and the value was more than 2 lakhs. अगर हाथ से निकल गई तो फिर वह कहीं के न रहेंगे. If they lose it, really they have to suffer in life. सुबह कड़के ही तीनों भाई पुनः ठाकुरबाड़ी पहुंचे. Early morning, all the three of them, they went to ठाकुरबाड़ी. हरिहर काका के पांव पकड़कर रोने लगे. They fall in his leg and they started crying. अपनी पत्नियों की गलती के लिए माफी मांगी. They fall in his leg and they asked to forgive for the behavior which was done by their wives. No, they wanted him to forgive that. तथा उन्हें दंड देने की बात कही. They asked him to punish their wives. साथ ही खून के रिश्ते की माया फैलाई. And then they started talking about their blood relation. हरिहर काका का दिल पसीज गया, and हरिहर काका's heart it melt. वह पुनः वापस घर लौट आया. He returned back home. लेकिन यह क्या, इस बार अपने घर पर जो बदलाव उसने उन्हें सुखद आश्चर्य में डाल दिया. But what is this? This time when he returned back, he saw some changes in his house, and that gave him happiness. घर के छोटे बड़े सब उन्हें सिर आंखों पर उठाने को तैयार. Everybody in the house, elder or small, everyone was taking care of him. भाइयों की पत्नियों ने उनके पैर पर माथा रख गलती के लिए क्षमा याचना की. All the brothers' wife, they fall in his leg and they asked him to forgive them. फिर उनकी आव भगत और जो खातिर शुरू हुई. And now they started taking care of him very nicely. वैसी खातिर किसी के यहाँ मेहमान आने पर भी नहीं होती होगी. Even guests will not be taken care so nicely. This way they were taking care of him. उनकी रुचि और इच्छा के मुताबिक दोनों जून खाना नाश्ता तैयार. So according to his wish only, breakfast, lunch and dinner was getting ready. Whatever he wanted, that was only made for breakfast, lunch and dinner. 5 महिलाएं उनकी सेवा में मुस्तैद. 5 ladies were always ready to take care of him. मुस्तैद मीन्स ऑलवेज रेडी। 3 भाइयों की पत्नियां और 2 उनकी बहुएं। Out of 5, 3 were brothers' wife and other 2 were brothers' sons' wives. So total 5 daughter-in-law, 2 daughter-in-laws and 3 brothers' wife. So total 5 ladies always ready to take care of him. हरिहर काका आराम से दालान में पड़े रहते. So now nicely he'll be taking rest. जिस किसी चीज की इच्छा होती आवाज लगाते ही हाजिर. If he need anything, if he calls, immediately they were coming to him. वे समझ गए थे कि यह सब महंत जी के चलते ही हो रहा है. He understood that this change is because of महंत जी. इसलिए महंत जी के प्रति उनके मन में आदर और श्रद्धा के भाव निरंतर बढ़ते ही जा रहे थे. And because of this, due to this, he was now having more respect for महंत जी, and this respect was day by day increasing. बहुत बार ऐसा होता है कि बिना किसी के कुछ बताए गांव के लोग असली तथ्य से स्वयं वाकिफ हो जाते हैं. Many times what happens, the actual fact is not said to people, but still they come to know about it. Tathya means fact. So nothing was told, but everything was very clear to the villagers. हरिहर काका की इस घटना के साथ ऐसा ही हुआ. घटना means incident. With हरिहर काका's this incident, the same thing happened. This means people came to know everything. They didn't knew anything what was the matter, but still they came to know. दरअसल लोगों की जुबान से घटनाओं की जुबान ज्यादा पैनी और असरदार होती है. So the incident which happened was having such an impact that everybody came to know now whatever is happening. घटनाएं स्वयं ही बहुत कुछ कह देती हैं. Incident, many times incident they tell everything. लोगों के कहने की जरूरत नहीं रहती. No need for people to talk about it. ना तो गांव के लोगों से महंत जी ने कुछ कहा था और ना हरिहर काका के भाइयों ने ही. So महंत जी didn't tell anything to the people, and at the same time Harihar Kaka's brothers also, they didn't tell anything to the villages, but still they came to know about everything. Why? Because of the incident. इसके बावजूद गांव के लोग सच्चाई से अवगत हो गए थे, but still the villagers, they knew about the truth. फिर तो गांव की बैठकों में बातों का जो सिलसिला चल निकला उसका कोई अंत नहीं, कहीं कोई अंत नहीं. Now people started discussing among them, which was not having any end. What was the discussion? We'll come to know. हर जगह उन्हीं का प्रसंग शुरू. Everywhere people were talking about हरिहर काका. See, the direct information was not given to them, neither by Mahant or by Harihar Kaka's brothers, but they know everything and they started talking about this incident. कुछ लोग कहते कि हरिहर काका को अपनी जमीन ठाकुर जी के नाम लिख देनी चाहिए. Now here some people, there were two groups of people. One group, they started talking that Harihar Kaka should donate his land to ठाकुर बाड़ी. इससे उत्तम और कुछ नहीं. And they thought this is the best thing to do. इससे कीर्ति भी अचल बनी रहती है. And he will be remembered forever. इसके विपरीत कुछ लोगों की मान्यता यह थी कि भाई का परिवार तो अपना ही होता है. On the contrary, The other group was telling whatever happened, but brother's family, they are blood relation, they are own. So we can't change the relation. अपनी जायदाद उन्हें न देना, उनके साथ अन्याय करना होगा. So if he don't give his land to his brothers, this will not be fair for his brothers. खून के रिश्ते के बीच दीवार बनानी होगी. So blood relation, the relation will break if he gives his land to, donates his land to ठाकुर बाड़ी. जितने मुंह उतनी बातें. So people, they started talking and all were having their own ideas. Everyone was there with their own ideas. ऐसा जबरदस्त मसला पहले कभी नहीं मिला था, इसलिए लोग मौन होना नहीं चाहते थे. Such kind of situation never arise. So people didn't wanted to stop discussing about it. अपने अपने तरीके से समाधान ढूंढ रहे थे. They were trying to get the solution. समाधान means solution. According to their thinking, they were trying to get the solution. और प्रतीक्षा कर रहे थे कि कुछ घटित हो. प्रतीक्षा means wait. They were waiting that something should happen. हालांकि इसी क्रम में बातें गर्माहट भरी भी होने लगी थीं. So now the discussion became very hot. लोग प्रत्यक्ष और परोक्ष रूप से दो वर्गों में बंटने लगे थे. So now directly and indirectly there were two groups of people. They were divided into, बंटने लगे थे. They were divided into two groups. कई बैठकों में दोनों वर्गों के बीच आपस में तू मैं भी होने लगी थी. So many times while discussion between the two groups, the people started arguing among themselves. So this is not their personal matter, but they started arguing for that. They started fighting. एक वर्ग के लोग चाहते थे कि हरिहर अपने हिस्से की जमीन ठाकुर बाड़ी के नाम लिख दें. So one group was such who wanted that Harihar should donate his land to ठाकुर बाड़ी. तब यह ठाकुर बाड़ी न सिर्फ इलाके की ही सबसे बड़ी ठाकुर बाड़ी होगी, बल्कि पूरे राज्य में इसका मुकाबला कोई दूसरा ठाकुर बाड़ी नहीं कर सकेगा. So if Harihar he donates his land to ठाकुर बाड़ी, it is already, this ठाकुर बाड़ी is the biggest ठाकुर बाड़ी in that area. So now it will become the biggest ठाकुर बाड़ी not only in that area but in the whole state. It will be the biggest ठाकुर बाड़ी of that state. इस वर्ग के लोग धार्मिक संस्कारों के लोग हैं. They were religious people. साथ ही किसी न किसी रूप में ठाकुर बाड़ी से जुड़े हैं. So these people were religious and in some way they were also related to ठाकुर बाड़ी. असल में सुबह शाम जब ठाकुर जी को भोग लगाया जाता है, actually when morning and evening food is offered to God, तब साधु संतों के साथ गांव के कुछ पेटू और चटोर किस्म के लोग प्रसाद पाने के लिए वहां जुट जाते हैं. So when food is offered to God, that food will be really tasty. So sadhu, who will have that food? Sadhu Sant. With sadhu Sant, some villagers also will gather there to enjoy that food. ये लोग इसी वर्ग के हिमायती हैं. These people are coming under this category. The people who want that Harihar should give his land to Thakurbadi, so, these were the people. दूसरे वर्ग में गांव के प्रगतिशील विचारों वाले लोग तथा वैसे किसान हैं. And the other group was the farmers. And the other group was the progressive or the farmers. जिनके यहाँ हरिहर जैसे औरत और मर्द पल रहे होते हैं. So these people, they are also having someone, any male or female in their family who are like Harihar, who have suffered the same situation like Harihar. गांव का वातावरण तनावपूर्ण हो गया था. So the whole environment, it became tensed. और लोग कुछ घटित होने की प्रतीक्षा करने लगे. Everyone started thinking or they started waiting that something should happen. इधर भावी आशंकाओं को मद्देनजर रखते हुए हरिहर काका के भाई उनसे यह निवेदन करने लगे थे. So now the brothers, they were afraid that something bad should not happen with them. So now they started requesting Harihar Kaka. Nivedan means request. So they now started requesting to Harihar Kaka कि अपनी जमीन वे उन्हें लिख दें. So now they were in a doubt. Because of this doubt, they wanted Harihar to give the land to them. उनके सिवाय उनका और अपना है ही कौन. And no one was there for Harihar Kaka except these brothers. He was not having any other relative. So now they were having a doubt that he may donate his land to Thakurbadi. So they wanted him to give his land to them. इस विषय पर हरिहर काका ने एकांत में मुझसे काफी देर बात की. So regarding this, Harihar Kaka, he had a discussion with the writer, with the narrator.